first big fashion purchase?
Yes. Very well.
Can you share it?
Well, it was in Milan, and I bought Bottega Veneta bag
Nice.
at the time. Yes.
How old were you? Do you remember?
I must have been 18. It was, I was in the middle of Fashion Week, and I've been working really hard, and I felt like, no, I can treat myself, and I because I was in Milan, I wanted something authentic and Italian, and I loved this the weave of Bottega Veneta, very classic, but yes, it was a nice moment. I remember it really well.
Do you still have
Magical. I think so, somewhere. Actually, you just reminded me of something I forgot.